Hello once again, this is James. Welcome to my computerized accounting tutorials with QuickBooks. Today we are going to look at creating a report for profit on the items which you sell in your company or in your business. To create this report, you have to follow these steps. You have to go to Items and Services tab on your home screen or through the Modules app. Then you go to the Reports tab at the bottom of the Items window. Click on Reports on all items, go to Projects and click Item Profitability. Let us see how this works. Let us dive into our company and we see how we can create such a report. For example, this is our company. I'll come here to my Items and Services to display my items. So far I have only 2 items in my list. I have HDDs and RAM chips. So to create my report now, I'll come down here to Reports. I'll click on the drop down arrow. Then I'll go to Reports on all items. Then I'll go to Projects. Then I'll go to Item Profitability. So here it will generate a report for the profits I've earned on my items. For example, the actual cost of the HDDs is 200,000. The revenue I've earned is 300,000, and the difference now is the profit. Okay, on the RAM chips, I spent an actual cost of 40,000, and the revenue I've got is 60,000, and the difference is 20,000, which is the profit. So here it gives you the total actual cost, the total actual revenue, and the total profit you've got from the transactions you've done for that particular item or items which you've done for that day. So this report is pretty flexible. You can do it in different ways. You can do it on a particular day. Let's say if we did sales today, you can save from this day to this day. And when I click, you notice that it's saying that as of July 23rd, 2001. If I went and maybe I wanted for the week, supposing this week started on 18th to now, and I click in it, I would still get the same because I don't have very many transactions running around. Maybe let's say we want for 18th, and we see if we have some transactions on 18th. You see the change. So on the 18th I only did these transactions. Actual cost involved is 100,000, and if you click, you double click, you click in this, it will bring these 2 arrows. You can double click to zoom in to show you that now this 100,000 refers to the quantity of the hard drives is 2, which meaning each one now is 50,000. So if I escape, then I come back to this and double click, it will still tell me that there are 2 at 150,000, meaning each is costing 75,000. If I double click here still, I can get to see that actual figure. You see that now it's taking me back to the invoice, telling you that there are 2 hard drives, the units are each, and the price per each is 75,000, each amounts to 150,000. So basically that is how you do your report. Report you can do for a type, let's first go back. We can come here and we try to check the levels at which you can, the time intervals through which you can do your reports. Now it's giving us the total, but I can say day. When I click it is now showing me only 1 day because I had specified this. So if I do this and I say up to the current date, here it will break the transactions day by day, starting from when I started 18th, and this is, if there are no sales, it will, like on the 19th there are no sales, 28th no sales, 21st no sales. If we scroll, let's first zoom in. So if we scroll, you notice that on the 22nd no sales, then when it comes to 23rd we have sales. So we have sales on 18th and on the 23rd, which accumulate to this, and here it will give us the total profit for all the days in which we had sales and their corresponding profits, actual costs and actual revenues. So that's how we do a report on profits on the items which you sell in your business in QuickBooks. It's quite an interesting report which is not very common and it's not found on the reports tab up here, but you have to go back to you said you go to items, you come down here to reports, then you go to report on all items, you go to project, then you go to item profitability. That's how you come to get this report. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.